Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make ogbono soup. Delicious ogbono soup in 4 minutes. Ogbono soup is one of Nigerian delicious soup you wouldn't want to miss. It goes well with any swallow of your choice. So let's dive into it, everyone. So to make this soup I need 1 kilo of goat meat already washed. So to cook it, I will transfer it into a clean pot. Then go ahead and add my 1 head of stockfish, 1 dry fish already washed. To season, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, already chopped onions, and blended fresh pepper, and I will allow this to simmer for 15 minutes on a low flame. After 15 minutes, I will turn and then go ahead and add half cup of water to allow it to cook properly on medium to high flame for 35 minutes. Male goat meat does not take time to cook. After 35 minutes, I'll go ahead and add 1 full cup of water. Add yours according to the quantity of soup you want to make, and I will allow this to cook. After adding 1 teaspoon of seasoning and my yellow chili pepper and half teaspoon of salt, I will allow this to cook on a high flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of crayfish or blended prawns and cover to cook on a high flame for 10 minutes. While that is aside, on a clean pot, after it gets hot, I will add palm oil to melt the ogbono. When the palm oil gets hot, I will start adding the blended ogbono seed bit by bit. Mix this on a low flame, everyone, for 5 to 10 minutes until all lumps disappear, exactly what you see on the screen. And after that, our soup water is properly cooked. So at this point, I'm going to be adding the already melted ogbono bit by bit until it thickens, until I get the consistency that I want. Hello everyone, you are all highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks so much for returning back. Please don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and family. More videos are updated every week on this channel. So after adding the blended ogbono seed, I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. And after that, I will go ahead and add my leaves. I'm using uziza leaf. Uziza leaf is super for ogbono soup. If you've not tried it, give it a try. So this ogbono soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice: pounded yam, fufu, eba. The choice is yours, everyone. Ogbono soup is one of Nigerian delicious delicacy you would like to enjoy. Kids love it, everyone love it. Alright, thanks so much, Jenny subscribers. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video.